Today we're going to talk about an all-new product from CARPRO, and that is the Go FX Kit. Hey guys, it's Corey from skysthelimitcarcare, and today we've got a brand new product in the store. As you may know, at SEMA 2025, CARPRO released Go FX. They released that, or I should say they announced that, in sizes all the way from 1 liter to 500 mil, 250 mil. And those have been in our store for some time now, going on a month or two. And now we actually have a brand new product, and this is the same chemical, but with an applicator and a towel included, designed specifically for your glass. So just like the other sizes of Go FX, with this one you're going to get a slightly smaller size. Like I said, you got 1 liter, 500 mil, 250, and this is the 150 mil. So 150 mil is actually plenty of product to do multiple cars. It also comes with the CARPRO Terry towel. This is what you're going to be using to wipe the product off. This is a 16 by 16 edgeless towel, non-linting. Obviously, we typically fold it like that when we're in use, but we'll do a little demo for you in a short bit, and we'll show you firsthand. The really cool kind of addition to this kit is actually the hand applicator. And that's a foam knob that you can hold on to right there. And then the Velcro addition, so you can take the rayon applicator portion, pull that off, and soon, maybe by the time that you actually see this video or soon after, we're actually going to have add-ons for this to where you can put a foam applicator. For anybody that's familiar with like the orange polishing foam for paint, we're going to get those from CARPRO as well. And you'll be able to just switch this out and keep this handheld applicator puck and switch these in. But this one, it consists of obviously the Velcro, a foam interlayer, and then a soft rayon. We tested this ourselves on glass because obviously we want people using this, being able to use this on glass without a machine if they don't have one. So what is CARPRO Go FX? If you didn't already watch our first video on Go FX, and we'll go over that a little bit here, this is basically a safe glass polish, non-abrasive, designed to clean and remove any kind of oily film, bug guts, stuff that's left behind that's not coming off when you clean and wash the car. As you know from us in the past, we've always told people you're more than welcome to use CARPRO Ultra Cut. That will work as well if you have that on hand. But people were really screaming for a glass dedicated polish that was not as aggressive as Siri glass. That would not abrade the glass surface, that would just remove everything from the glass, including, like I said, bug guts, oil film, and even ceramic coatings. So that's what you have here. With Go FX, you can use it by hand. That's what this is for, or you can use it by machine. And if you want to see more of its use with machine, then just go ahead and check out our other video. And there we used it both. Today we're going to focus on hand since this is the kit video. And yeah, I think that's all the information that we have for you right now other than what's in the first video. We're going to go ahead and jump straight into the demonstration, and we'll see you in a minute. All right, guys, so first step, obviously, is add some drops to your applicator. And again, we're showing only the hand application today. We have another video where you can see some of the machine application methods. But with the hand application, you take the included puck from the kit, and you can also use a foam pad or pretty much any kind of hand applicator. You add the Go FX to, a few drops of the Go FX to the applicator. And the cool thing about that, the shape of the hand puck there is that corner, that'll get into any sharp edges. We don't really have any on this piece of glass, but as you can imagine on a wide variety of glass like the side windows and stuff like that, sometimes you need that corner to get into really tight spots. So you got the product on there, you're just gonna, I just like to spread it out a little bit like that before I start rubbing. And then you take on an area about that large, about 2 by 2 square feet. And you can do it in either fashion. I like to do it in a circular motion. Try to avoid the paint, unlike what I just did there. And that's pretty much all there is to it. It's really easy to use. You just go over it. Depending on what you're trying to get out, you may reapply a little product and go over it again. But just one time around like this, with that applicator and the Go FX, is really going to remove pretty much anything you can throw at it. If you have a really durable coating like D-Quartz G-Force on the glass and you want to remove that, then you might be better off hitting it with a machine if you have it, or if you don't have a machine, then just check it, wipe it off with some eraser, check it, and then go over it one more time by hand if you have to. And that's all there is to it. You're going to take that, you're going to take your towel. First I'm going to wipe off my little boo-boo off the paint there. And then you can wipe it off dry like this. Unlike with the machine where it'll be a little harder to remove and you'll have to use some eraser or a wet towel, by hand, you don't. By hand, just a dry towel will easily remove any excess product. Now, of course, we are going to come back if we're going to coat over this, if we're going to put some D-Quartz G-Force down when we're done, or any other coating or sealant, we are going to go ahead and go over it with some CARPRO eraser and a fresh towel, not the same one we wiped off the polish with, but CARPRO eraser, a fresh towel, and after we finish the entire glass. So basically repeat that process on about 2 more square feet, break this into 4 to 6 pieces for a piece of glass this size. Just like we did with this, take a fresh towel, eraser, clean it one more time with that to remove any oils, and then you can coat it. And that's all there is to it, guys. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I know we really loved making this one. If you haven't done so already, please be sure to subscribe. I do want to remind you that all of these products are available at Sky's the Limit Car Care, and the applicator will be available soon separately as well. If you have any questions or comments, please be sure to leave those below. And if you'd like to reach out to us privately by email or phone, we're always available. We love answering your questions, and we really appreciate your support. Have a great day, guys.